Financial freedom. Achieving retirement within 15 years requires diligent planning and disciplined execution of key financial strategies. Here are some steps to help you work towards early retirement. Step 1. Set a specific goal. Determine the exact amount of money you need for retirement. Consider your desired lifestyle, estimated expenses, and potential healthcare costs. This will give you a clear target to work towards. Suppose your age is 25 years, then practically you need to first know your current expenses of running your home. Say for example it is 1 lakh per month. Now you need to take inflation into account. Suppose the inflation is growing at 5% annually in your country, then after 15 years, you will be needing INR 207,892 per month. For knowing that in Excel, we need to calculate the future value, where inflation rate is 5%, number of period is 15 years and present value is 1 lakh, so the amount comes to 207,892 Indian rupees. Step 2. Calculate the amount of money that you should deposit after 15 years in a risk-free assets class like banks and debt funds to cover your expense from age 40 to 60 years. Let's consider risk-free return to be 7% as we have taken inflation 5%. So if we calculate amount needed while considering we need 207,892 Indian rupees every month, it comes around 23,129,314 Indian rupees and 54 paise. For knowing that in Excel, we need to calculate present value, where risk-free return is 7%, divide 15% by 12, to get per period rate, number of period is 15 multiplied by 12, PMT is 207,892 that we required every month till age 60. So the amount comes to 23,129,314 Indian rupees and 54 paise. Around 2.31 crores. Step 3. Invest for growth. Allocate your savings into investment vehicles that offer the potential for long-term growth, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk and take advantage of market opportunities. Considering the above example, you were needing INR 0.23129314.54. If you invest through bank, you will be needed to invest around 73,000 every month. That is a big amount. But if learn to invest through index mutual fund considering 15% annual return, you would have to invest around 35,000 per month. To make your goal easier, consider making lump sum investment too. SEEP amount came to 35,000 by using PMT formula in Excel, where we have taken rate as 15%, 12, number 2 years of investment as 15 multiplied by 12, present value as 0, so the amount comes around 35,000 per month. This 23,129,314 Indian rupees and 54 paise will become 0 by 60 years of age. So we need to parallel do one more SEEP every month to cover your life expenses from age 60 to 90. Your 1 lakh expense will become around 551,601 Indian rupees. To get 551,601 Indian rupees every month, you would be needing around 9 crores, 90 million. Considering a period of 35 years to retire, we can expect a return of 18% from market. So you would have to invest through SEEP an amount of 2,500 Indian rupees every month. I would be enclosing the Excel sheet showing the formula I used to do the calculation. Calculate your savings amount, assess your current savings and determine the gap between your current balance and the desired SEEP amount. Systematic Invest program help you to invest a particular amount every month, which help you to invest at all market situation, whether market is down, up or neutral. Which lead to getting average market return of 15% based on historical Sensex index data. As Warren Buffett has said, by investing periodically in an index fund, you can beat big fund managers. Maximize retirement accounts, contribute to tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, to maximize your savings potential. In India, you invest in tax saving schemes under Section 80C, 80CCD and 80D up to 1.5 lakh every year from your total income. Reduce expenses and increase income. Look for opportunities to reduce unnecessary expenses and increase your income. This might involve downsizing your home, cutting back on discretionary spending, or finding ways to earn additional income through a side hustle or freelancing. We have to live few years like no one can live, to live a life no one can imagine to live. Keep debt in check, minimize or eliminate high-interest debt, such as credit card debt or personal loans. Paying off debt can free up more money for savings and reduce financial stress. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about market conditions, revisit your retirement goals, and adjust your savings and investment strategies accordingly. Remember, achieving early retirement requires a proactive approach and disciplined financial habits. Be prepared to make sacrifices and stay committed to your long-term goal. Next video I would teach you how can you do financial planning on your own. Stay tuned. If you like the video, put a thumb up and share with others to make a prosperous world. Stay happy, stay invested. Thanks for watching.